Greg Wyndham with Coast Products, and believe it or not, this is our 100th anniversary. We were founded in 1919 in Portland, Oregon. This year we're 100 years old, and I've got some great products I want to show you guys today. Larger brother to the EAL 13 is the Coast EAL 22. Emergency area light that's powered by D-cell batteries, 3 D-cell batteries. This is a powerful lantern that puts off over 1,300 lumens of light. 3 levels, that's the high level right there, and that is a lot of light. You can easily light up a fairly large room with this lantern, or a very large campsite. It also has red and red flashing. You just hold down the switch and you go into red mode, hit the switch again, and you got your emergency flashing red feature. You can hang the lantern with this nice carabiner. It's got this carrying handle also. You flip the lantern upside down. You can clip it onto a line, a tree branch. Take the globe off, and boom, you have a very powerful 1,300 lumen downlight. Runs for about 40 hours on low mode. The EAL 22 is going to be available in June of this year, just a few months away.